So you want to move to San Antonio, Texas? Well, in this video, we're going to take you out to Esperanza. It's a beautiful neighborhood just inside Boerne, which is northwest of San Antonio.
We're going to highlight the Chesmar home builder in this beautiful planned community in Boerne. And we'll take you through the model home and into some of their inventories and take you around this amazing neighborhood. We're going to get started on that right now. If this is your first time in channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in and around San Antonio, then make sure you subscribe, tap the bell, and you'll be the first to receive notifications of upcoming videos in San Antonio.
We're Brian and Brenda Jones, the proud owners of Lone Star Home Realty. We get calls from people just like you every single day. So give us a call and let us know how we can help you.
All of our information is in the box below. You can call us, text us, email us, or you can even sign up for a Zoom. We would love to chat and help you make a smooth move to San Antonio area.
Let's check out Chesmar.
Let's do it. This is a gorgeous area.
It really is. Hey guys, here we are at the Chesmar model home in Esperanza. This one is known as the McKenzie. And if you want to get the plans for it, you can get the QR code right off there. It's 26 square feet. And we're going to go inside and show you this beautiful, beautiful model. Brenda's our door opener again. Go in the front door, you turn to the left. You got 2 bedrooms on either side of the hallway. And in the middle, they split a Hollywood bath setup. Very nice, very nicely done. Now, one of the things about Chesmar that you need to know is they don't beef up their models like a lot of other builders do. So instead of putting $150,000 in upgrades, this model, for instance, only has about $25,000 in upgrades. It's a nice, good-sized laundry room. Attic access up there, and you've got a half bath. Look at that tile. Wow. Comment below and let us know what you think of that tile. That's beautiful. What else we got, Brenda?
So as Brian said, this is the McKenzie model. It is 26 square feet, and it can be 3 bedrooms, 3 or 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 baths, 2-car garage with an optional study. And this one, as it sits as the model, would be about $590,000. That's not bad with the upgrades and everything. That's the media room. I love the attention to detail in this media room. It makes it more than just a dark room to sit here and watch TV. They really have added some
pretty gorgeous
texture and
something I want to point out to you guys. Check this out. This is a 3-2-1 buy down, guys. If you qualify, 2.75 in your first year. You're not going to find that anywhere else that we know of. So check it out. And if that's appealing to you, comment below, let us know, and we can work something out for you.
So again, this does have some upgrades in it. However, the standards in all of the Chesmars are, Brian's going to zoom in on there, but they all have the higher doors and the higher windows. Those are all included. Tankless water heater, which is fabulous. I love the beams in the living area. Gorgeous in here.
This is a natural gas community. Good sized kitchen.
It's a great bar area. Really nice.
Oh yeah.
Really nice.
You can put,
lots
you
of
could probably
filling.
put 5 or 6 stools.
Yeah, that might be a little tight.
And just like Brenda said, check out the
beam work in here is
work.
just really pretty. I love all the windows in here too, just the natural lighting that comes in.
Absolutely. Let's check out the primary room. Again, this is the model, but these windows are standard. So what you see is what you get when it comes to the windows. Look at this beautiful
A really nice bathroom.
Dual vanity. Nice size walk-in shower. Again with really cool tile. And then you've got a really good size walk-in closet. You even have the rack up above for your wear that you don't wear that much.
So in Esperanza, Chesmar has 8 different models available, 4 1-stories and 4 2-stories. And right now they have, I believe, 7 spec homes that are ready to go. So we talk about the Texas Hill Country, and being that we're out in Boerne, we're definitely in the Texas Hill Country. So we'll show you a little bit kind of what the houses in the Hill Country have compared to other parts of the area. So this is definitely built on a hill. You can see you have a beautiful view from your patio. Absolutely gorgeous. However, you're going to have a lot of steps going either down in the front or down in the back. This one has the steps in the back. So your backyard
You can see this is probably about a 20-foot foundation cliff.
So you have a beautiful backyard, not a lot of space to be able to use. However, you do have gorgeous views from back here.
All right, let's go check out some of the inventory homes.
Let's go. So this is a Chesmar inventory home that is currently ready for sale and ready for you to make an offer on. As you can see behind us, it is a gorgeous 1-story home, brick. Looks like it's a painted brick. It's really pretty. This one is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a 2.5-car garage. You have a little extra space in the garage, and it has a study. It's 2340 square feet. This one has an added bonus in the garage. It does have an EV charger already built in. So for those of you who want an electric vehicle, you are already set for that. The kitchen in here is just absolutely gorgeous. You have the open concept with the wide open bar area. And guys, what an entrance. When you open this door and you're looking out into the back, you can see the beautiful beams in the living area with those huge, tall, open windows. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the bath in the primary bedroom. This one has a standalone tub and a just beautiful walk-in shower. Absolutely gorgeous. You could definitely see your family living in this place.
Wanted to show you the entrance to this home. This is really cool the way Chesmar does this, wide open. I like the tall entry. You could put a bench out here easily. Just really cool the way they do this. It's pretty unique to Chesmar.
Okay, so this home is listed at $589,800. They just had a significant price drop over the weekend. Again, it is 2340 square feet, and the lot size, MLS lists them a little bit different than the new builds. This is listed as a 0.172 lot, which is a normal standard lot in a neighborhood. The backyard does back up to a rock retaining wall, which is really pretty. Kind of gives you more privacy. They do have the wrought iron walls, fences between the neighbors, but the rock wall in the back is really pretty. The houses in this neighborhood, all of them do have an $800 a year HOA fee for the things that are included in this neighborhood, guys. That's really not bad at all. There are multiple builders in this neighborhood, but as we said today, we're focusing on Chesmar. Let's move on to the next one. So this is the third inventory home for Chesmar, second inventory, with the first one being the model, but this one is also available for purchase. It is currently listed at $599,800. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's 2526 square feet. I love the stucco with the stone. I love the multicolored stone on the front of this one. This one also has a 2.5 car garage with a little extra space. So all of the Chesmars have that really beautiful open concept that leads you into the living area with the beams. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And remember, all of the high doors and the high windows are all included in Chesmar. So those are definitely things that just really let all the natural light come into the home. It has a large game room, and this is a single story. I know from the exterior it looks like a 2-story, but it is a single story home. It has a large game room added, and it has a large walk-in shower in the primary bath. Absolutely gorgeous. So as you're moving to the other full bathroom, tell me, what do you think about the tile work in here? It has a stripe of tile, and I'm not quite sure how I feel about it. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and tell me if you like it or you don't like it, if you would do it differently. But that's just something kind of different looking in the homes that we've seen lately. Now this one, guys, has a beautiful rock fireplace. It's actually a gas fireplace in the back patio that you can sit around and truly enjoy the nice cool nights in the Texas winters. This one also backs up to a rock retaining wall in the back, and they've done a really good job of leaving the oak trees in this neighborhood. So this one has some smaller oak trees, but definitely natural oak trees that are left in the back.
Most builders would just mow them down, and Chesmar is one of the few builders will leave them standing.
And we just walked on this grass in the yard, and guys, this truly feels like a very lush, thick carpet. So they've done an excellent job on planting really nice carpeting in here. Really nice grass. It feels like carpeting.
It does.
It's really nice and thick. So great job on Chesmar. So we're going to take you around, show you the neighborhood, and give you some highlights of this amazing neighborhood.
Hey guys, don't forget about Chesmar is still offering, even on the inventory homes, a 3-2-1 buy down. That could save you a ton of money. Give us a call if you want to learn more.
And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell.
Yep, let us know.
Get notifications.
Let us know what you're thinking.
All right, let's check out the neighborhood. We've highlighted Chesmar Homes as a builder in this neighborhood, but Monticello, Felder, Perry, Highland, they are all represented in the neighborhood of the Esperanza community.
Including Toll Brothers.
Including Toll Brothers. Toll Brothers now is building a luxury 55 and older neighborhood within Esperanza. They'll have their own amenity center specifically to the 55 and older community. Obviously, that's going to cause the HOA dues to be a little more expensive, but they're going to be there. Now, Esperanza is on 1,700 acres. It has 20 miles of trails. Most of them are concrete or granite, crushed granite. Just really beautiful. They're going to have 425 acres of parks, 20 distinct private villages, and as I said, those are going to all be gated, so 20 different areas.
Did you say 425 acres of parks?
Parks, yes,
wow.
Within the neighborhood. And they have currently, Chesmar, Felder, and Perry have 50 to 60 foot lots available. Monticello and Highland are also in a 70 to 80 foot, and Monticello is going to have a 90 foot lot in one section of here. Perry also has a 50. So lots of different options. Now, this community has an area for food trucks. It has a beautiful pool. I believe there's 3 different pools out here.
Lazy river.
One of them is a lazy river. They have a beach volleyball. There's an amphitheater, which they have concerts. Right now you're looking into the dog park, which looks crazy. There's all kinds of fun things for your dogs to do and play out here. And they have these really cool tables kind of set up, kind of scattered along the roadway, that I've never seen a picnic table made of a huge piece of limestone. It's just really, really pretty. So this neighborhood has a lot of things to offer. It is in the Boerne Independent School District, which is very highly rated. And it is in Kendall County. So it is in the Boerne ISD. So just let us know what you think about this neighborhood. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send them. We'll be happy to investigate them or get the answers for you.
Talk to you soon. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video on Esperanza and Boerne. That's B-O-E-R-N-E.
I think
B-O-E-R-N-E.
so.
Yeah.
Boerne, Texas.
78066. Check it out.
So we thank you so much for joining us. This has been a fabulous time touring this community, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Let us know what you think in the box below, and make sure you subscribe and tap the bell. We'll see you in the next one.
Take care.